Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain how to download Java software. Java software is nothing but Java Development Kit. In short, we are calling JDK. Latest version of JDK is 14. JDK 14 released in March 2020. This information we can see in internet. Say open Google, type Java version history. In a first link only, Java version history from Wikipedia. Just click on this hyperlink. Just scroll down. Here, version release date. Java Development Kit beta version starting 1995 released. JDK 1.0 released in January 1996. Like that. Present version 14 released in March 2020. Here you can see pink color old version, yellow color old version still maintained. Here green color latest version, blue color future release. So 15, 16, 17 in future they are going to release date also they mentioned. 15 is going to come in September 2020. 16 is going to come March 2021. 17 is going to come September 2021. Now latest version is 14 March 2020. Say pink color old versions, it is not possible to download also. Yellow color old version still maintained, so you can download. So now you can download Java 11 also we can download, Java 8 also we can download. Java 8 can be downloaded, Java 11 can be downloaded. Now if you want to download, there are three versions available. One is Java 8, next Java 11, next Java 14. Java 14 and Java 11 available for Windows 64-bit operating system only. For Windows 32-bit operating system, Java 14 and Java 11 not available. If you want to download Java software for Windows 32-bit operating system, then you have to go for Java 8 only. Okay. Now I'll show you where you have to download and how to download. Just again I'll open Google, back here, JDK download. If you type, you'll get a first link only. It is oracle.com. It is the official website for downloading Java software. Click on this hyperlink. Here Java SC downloads. Java SC downloads. Here JDK download. Click on this hyperlink. Just scroll down. here Java 14 available for Linux operating system, for Mac OS operating system and Windows operating system. Suppose you are using Windows operating system, then Windows x64 installer. Here this file, this hyperlink, you have to click on this hyperlink. You have to click for downloading JDK 14 for Windows 64-bit operating system. JDK 14 not available for Windows 32-bit operating system. If your operating system is Windows 64-bit, click on this hyperlink to download. See, you can click here, just select the checkbox, click on download. Now here it is going to be downloaded. Okay, this is downloading JDK 14 for Windows 64-bit operating system. Suppose if you want to download for 32-bit operating system, then here click on Java SE downloads, then scroll down, here Java SE 11. If you click on JDK download here, JDK 11 also available for Windows 64-bit operating system only. If you click on this JDK 11 version downloaded for Windows 64-bit operating system. Okay, if you want for 32-bit operating system, just again click on Java SE downloads, scroll down, here Java SE 8 updation 251. Click on JDK download here. Scroll down, here JDK 8 for Linux, Mac OS, Solaris, Windows. This is for 32-bit operating system. This is for 64-bit operating system. If your operating system is 32-bit, click on this hyperlink. If it is 64-bit operating system, click on this hyperlink. Now if you click on this hyperlink, JDK 8 downloaded for Windows 32-bit operating system. Select the checkbox. Say you will be redirected to the login screen in order to download the file. You click on this hyperlink. It is redirected to login page. You already created Oracle account, means type username and password, then click on sign in button. It is going to be downloaded. If you don't have an account, create an account. After that, again type username, password, just click on sign in button. It will be downloaded because already we selected file to download. Just username, password, type and click on sign in button. It is going to be downloaded. After downloading, here click on show all button. Here it shows whatever you downloaded. Just click on show in folder, then it is redirected to download folder. Here it appears whatever we downloaded. But before downloading, check it your system whether Windows 32-bit or 64-bit. How to check? Here on this PC, right click, Click on properties. Here it appears system type. It is 64-bit operating system. Then JDK for 64-bit operating system you have to download. For JDK 64-bit, JDK 14 also available, JDK 11 also, JDK 8 also. If it is your operating system is 32-bit, you can download JDK 8 only. Okay. For getting more information on Java, visit my blog java by Venkatesh Mansani.blogspot.com.